At Schneider Electric, we have a tremendous heritage of really great products. But for this range, we wanted to move into a new space to cater specifically to the needs of architects and interior designers. And we felt to do this, we needed a bit of a fresh perspective. So we worked with an external designer to really capture their knowledge of this industry. I'm Tim Tarini-Rochford, the VP of Design for Schneider Electric.
I'm Jim Hannan-Tan, an industrial designer based in Adelaide, Australia.
We needed a product that was specific to the needs of the architecture and interior design community. Something that, like their projects, every detail is thought through exactly how it's supposed to be.
For me, this was an exciting opportunity to bring all of the knowledge that I'd learned working in Europe over the past 15 years into a completely new realm. What was surprising for me about this project was the sophistication of the technology behind the light switch. It's one thing to come up with a fantastic imaginative idea, but it's another thing to reconcile it with the high tech.
So what is key with Clipsal Solis is it's not just a really, really good light switch. It will bring in all of the technology into that back end, fully modular, so you can bring in all your smart home functionality from Wiser and have that in the new range. Clipsal Solis is aimed at architects and interior designers and the specific needs of their projects.
And with these kind of architectural projects, each detail is a reflection of the whole. And so the light switch is often overlooked, but in our case, we've made it a very special element.
Really interesting thing about this product is you're now interacting with the material. So we see a lot of products in this space where the material is a decorated trim around a piece of plastic in the middle. And for this, we wanted to bring one solid material through the whole product.
And there's a certain kind of honesty in that approach. We actually designed a grid system on which all of the elements sit, including these microscopic LED lights, which you can program depending on how you want them to act.
Throughout the development of Clipsal Solis, we consulted with Australian and New Zealand architects about the materials and finishes that they really needed to complement their projects. We have the painted plastic with a really lovely satin finish, but we also have 4 other materials that are new for us and available in this range.
The inspiration for these materials really came from research into mid-century modernism and the use of pure, timeless, honest materials. We've got the brass here, which is machined from a solid billet.
What I think is really nice there is that the whole thing is brass. Like brass is not used as just like a little treatment.
We're particularly excited about the use of ceramic as well. Highly engineered ceramic is very unusual in this space, but highly functional as well.
The cool thing about this is we've been working with a mobile phone manufacturer to achieve this awesome finish, which is super resistant to fingerprints and dirt. I think the really beautiful thing about these materials is that the material is now not just, it's not a decorative trim anymore. The material is inherent to the design of the product.
So one of the greatest things as a designer is to see our projects out there in situ, in the wild.
I think that's going to be a really fitting end to this great period of collaboration between us, is getting Clipsal Solis out there into the market and used in amazing architecture and interior design.